What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be going to a dirt pump track pretty far away. We got like, I want to say a 30-minute drive. It's Halloween day though, so it's going to be spooky. And you know what? We're going to go out there, go shred. Yeah? Get that already. We're here at this pump track. It's all dirt. Rained the previous day, so it's gonna be really wet out here. We got dirt jumps, we got the pumps. Kids with RC cars, that's all right. We're gonna start with ascension pumps, so let's get straight into that. All right, so we're here at the first pump track in this crazy park. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Start off nice and slow. I mean, nothing happened. Seriously, we're just gonna ride pumps today. Right. Right, so now we hit all the pump tracks here. We can get steezy on the middle line, so let's get straight into it. Right, so now we're here at the dirt jump section. We're gonna start off on the left line, which is more of a beginner style. Then we'll move on to the middle line, which is more intermediate. And then, if I'm feeling it, we'll go to the big line. But Surround kids have definitely hit that, and it's very ready. And I don't feel like eating it in the cold today, so let's get some GoPro clips. Let's do it.
Look at this one. Jackson, start here. Look at
I tried the bunny hop over. All right, I made the decision to not hit the big boys today. If you look right here, it's super soft and it takes away all my speed before the next jump. So I can't really hit the full line. And if I do the second line and try to transfer into the big one, I'm not gonna have enough speed and I'm gonna case the hell out of it. So we're just gonna play it safe today, not trying to risk anything. But yeah, I mean, here's some more clips. I have now been transferred to cameraman as my other cameraman goes ahead and hits the dirt jumps. So let's get it. That one for sure hurt the nards.
No, I didn't hit nothing.
Didn't hit nothing?
Nope. Made your feet, boy.
Lucky man. Holy fucking sketch, dude. That was my nuts gone. As you can see, bars are absolutely forward. We're gonna go ahead and hit a line like this. How? Had a great day at the pump track today. We both rode.
State Route 3 South.
Both rode a lot. Both made hella progression. I mean, I want to say progression for me. I just tossed whips the whole time. I hope we just did a burnout.
Is this a bike lane? I don't know if we can drive on this.
This is
At the
This-
next stop sign.
Can we drive on this?
me though.
Yeah, go.
So that was today. I'm gonna try to be uploading a lot more. I'm gonna hit this drift.
In 2 miles, turn right into the parking lot.
Type shit. I'm gonna be trying to upload a lot more, at least once a week. We'll say at least. Hopefully, I get like 3 videos. That's my goal. 3 videos a week. But in reality, I can only upload like once a week. So, yeah. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and take care. Peace.